Now your students can take an in-depth look at key social studies topics while building content knowledge, reading, and writing skills with teacher-created materials primary source readers. These content-rich, age-appropriate books complement social studies and language arts curricula while addressing the 4 strands of social studies: history, civics, geography, and economics. Most importantly, they'll get your students reading and understanding content material. Each kit in our Primary Source Readers series includes 6 copies each of 16 paired books that are connected by a similar theme. When combined with the easy-to-follow lessons and activities provided in the Teacher's Guide, these readers are an engaging supplement to any core curriculum and create rich and robust nonfiction reading experiences. Plus, the pairing of the books allow teachers to easily differentiate instruction. Each book is designed around a key historical topic with primary sources to help explain that topic. These maps, photographs, documents, and illustrations add a real-life element to history and help students walk in the shoes of those who lived our world's history. Your students will develop observation and inquiry skills, as well as research skills that lead to analyzing sources and forming conclusions. To integrate technology into instruction, the primary sources, copies of the books, student reproducibles, and audio recordings of each book are also included in digital format. All the books are also available in interactive ebook format, which teachers and students can use in a variety of instructional settings, and which have helpful interactive tools and activities to get your students reading and rereading. Teachers can plan instruction easily and efficiently by utilizing timelines and lessons provided for each unit. Each book has a corresponding lesson plan and standards-based learning objectives, as well as suggested reading and writing activities to utilize before, during, and after reading. To help students more deeply engage with the books and primary sources, historical background and teaching suggestions are provided in the Teacher's Guide. Multiple assessment options are also available in print and digital format and can be utilized throughout each unit to help teachers gain valuable insight into students' learning. The high-quality, standards-based, engaging nonfiction text coupled with the easy-to-follow lessons, activities, and digital resources truly make primary source readers a valuable addition to any classroom.
History provides students with a window into the events of yesterday and today, making them true 21st century learners.
To learn more about primary source readers or any of our other products, contact us today.